Hello, my name is Harpreet and I searched this just to an IT solution on Google. I just Googled it and then I came to meet with Sukhdeep. He given me so much confidence that I can go to market by taking this course. Then I joined it and I was taught very well and how the job market works, and I got so much practical knowledge on automation testing, and also I am very confident in manual testing now. I have so much confidence now after taking this course, like I can go to the job market and get interviewed. And there's no negative point I have found here by joining this Just Win IT solution. And I also recommend everybody to join this and enhance their IT skills, whoever want to join as a QA analyst field. And thank you so much.